Today we will discuss the mixing. As per definition, mixing is defined as the unit operation that combine the two or more components together by agitation, shear or mixture. The final product of the mixture contains uniform distribution of the both component of the mixture. The process that tend to result in a randomization of dissimilar particles within a system. So the ideal mixing is the one which the particle of one substance lies nearly adjacent as possible to a particles of other materials. This is the figure. You can see there is the type of particle, different shape of the particle, that is spherical shape, rectangular shape, and there is the triangle shape. And so there is the three types of particles. Representation of the mixing. Okay, how can we mix the three types of component together? Next. So if you see the types of mixing, there is the categorized in two phases, that is the homogeneous mixing and heterogeneous mixing. As per their name, the homogeneous, that means the same types of particles, that means the solid in solid, liquid and liquid, and gas and gas. While in the heterogeneous mixing, that is the heterogeneous, as you know, heterogeneous means the different types of component together it will mix. That is the solid in liquid, solid in gas, or liquid in gas. Next. So if we discuss about the objective of mixing, first objective is the uniformity of the composition. And next objective is to enhance the physical or chemical reactions. If we see in the subdivision of these steps, to produce simple physical mixture, to produce physical changes, and to produce dispersion or to promote chemical reaction. If you can see that there is to produce simple physical mixture, this may be simply the production of a blend of two or more miscible liquid or two or more uniformly divided solid. And to produce physical changes, that means the mixing of like a solid into the liquid. So we change the solid component will be dissolved in a liquid medium, that means we change the physical changes in the component. Next is to produce the dispersion. So there is the dispersion of two immiscible liquid to form an emulsion, or a dispersion of a solid and liquid to give a suspension or paste. Usually good mixing is required to ensure stability. So that means as you know that in case of emulsions and suspension, we will follow the dispersion mechanism. That is the dispersion. That means we distribute the one component into the second one. Okay. And last one, to promote the chemical reaction. So there is a chemical reaction that is change into the nature of the component, and so that they have changed their nature, like change into the pH. Next slide. So if you see the another category of the types of mixing, that is the positive mixture. As per their mixture types of mixture, that is the positive mixture, negative mixture, and neutral mixture. These things will be also discussed in the form of types of component, like liquid, solid, and semi-solid. And this category is the according to the energy. For example, mixing of soluble solid in a liquid medium. That means if you dissolve the soluble solid into liquid, so it will be easily dissolved, so that there is the not so much energy will be consumed. That is the positive mixture. Next slide. Anything on the negative mixture, in case of if we will dissolve the insoluble solid into the liquid medium, so we require the energy to dissolve. That is the negative mixture. That means we require the more energy to prepare the mixture. Next. And neutral mixture, that is the basically this is the neutral mixture is talking in terms of semi-solid. That means the in neutral mixture, in case of semi-solid, that if we will be, it will be spontaneous mix, but it will be not separate later. So that is the neutral mixture. Now we come to the factor affecting mixing. So if we see that there is a lot of factor will affect the mixing operation. That is the mixing operation. If we are talking about the nature of the surface and particle size, particle shape, particle charges and proportion of material and density of particle. Okay, next slide. If we go in a detail, first we are talking about the nature of the surface or nature of the product. So nature of the surface is very important factor for the mixing. If we are talking about the rough surface or the smooth surface, so smooth surface is more efficient as compared to the rough surface, because in case of rough surfaces the active component will be fall into the pores of the another compound. So next factor is the particle size. So particle size, another factor, is very important for the mixing. That is the same particle size is the efficient mixing as compared to the different types of particle size, because due to the different particle size segregation will be carried out. So segregation is the another problem which will be come in the mixing. Next is the particle shape. Okay. Particles should be spherical in shape to achieve uniform mixing. Just like a size, shape is also the very important, and shape is basically the spherical shape is more efficient as compared to the different types of shape. Another factor is the particle charges. So when the size will be reduced, that is the different types of particle, they generate the different type of electrostatic charges. Due to these electrostatic charges, these particles feel the forces attraction or repulsions depend upon the types of charges. Next factor is the proportion of material. So basically the equal quantity is a good form for the mixing purpose. Okay. So the equal mix for the equal quantity is required for the mixing as compared to the small quantity of component with the large quantity of another component. And next factor is the relative density. As you know, the powder has the two types of property, that is the high density compound or the high density powder or the low density. So as per their density, they will be also affect the mixing. So the high density compound or the powder will sink to the bottom and they will be segregated. Okay, now I close this lecture for today. If you have any question, you can raise. Okay, thank you.